Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my Euphorbia box for the month of July. So let's open it without wasting any time. Alright, so this is how the Euphorbia box looks like, brown in color from outside. So I'm just gonna open it and see what I got. And inside I see a bag, a pouch. Alright, so this is like dual color pouch. It's black and silver, and on it you can see there's like an aeroplane and their logo. From the pouch I can assume that maybe this time's box is all about traveling. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Now let's just dig into the pouch and see what product I got. So first I have the info cards, so I'm just gonna take out these. So this time's theme is Zindagi Rude hai to kya hua hum bhi dude hai. I don't know this is theme or what, but this is what it's written on it. And here all the product details are given with their prices and some other info cards about the products. So let's just see what I got. So the very first thing I see is Hydra Radiant Face Mask. This is by Aaranyam, and the amount of product I'm getting here is, the amount is not written on the packaging, but it retails for 350 Indian rupees. And this is like a face mask and some liquid is coming out of it. I don't know why it's properly sealed, but still I can see some water in it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but this is like a face mask. Anyways, let's just see what else I got. The next thing I see is lipstick, which looks so cute. Alright, so this is White Sea Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, and it is 24 hours. Wow. So it claims to be like on your lips for 24 hours. And this retails for 199 Indian rupees, and I really don't know what shade I got, but this is, by looking at it, I can definitely tell you it's a very pretty bright red lip paint. Really bright red lip paint. Look how bright it is, how pretty red it is, and it will dry matte, so I'm definitely be using this and wearing this out. Alright, so that's the lipstick I got. Really nice size and really nice color. So the next thing I see is, okay, this is a product by Manna Kadar. Manna Kadar products are actually very expensive, and I'm happy that I got this. Okay, so this is like a face primer. Wow, this is a small little sample size tube. It's a face primer, so I think it's a very good for traveling purpose. And the amount of product I'm getting here is 0.27 fluid ounce, that is 8 ml. I don't know whether this is like a full size version or not, but according to them it retails for 2,366 rupees. Wow. Yeah, but definitely by seeing the tube I think it's a sample size product, and it's a very good for traveling. Alright, I'm just left with one last product, which are earrings. Yay, these are silver and black earrings. Oh my god, and they're very cute. Look at these. Look how pretty they look. Really pretty. And these retails for 125 Indian rupees. So this is how they are looking on me. Really pretty black and silver earrings. So that's all I got in my Euphorbia box for the month of July. In total I got 4 products, and it comes out to be over 3,000 rupees, which is amazing because you get this box in a lot cheaper price. All the details of the box will be in the description box, so you can just go and check it out, and if you like you can subscribe it for yourself. Yeah, so that's it for the box. And if you're new to my channel and you're watching me for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.